The concept of green soul living, which emerged in the early 1980s, refers to an environmental movement that emphasizes a lifestyle centered around sustainable practices and reducing ecological impact. This idea originated among environmentalists who recognized the need for more direct engagement with daily living habits as a means to combat climate change. The movement gained momentum after the Rio Earth Summit of 1992, when numerous countries ratified the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Key developments include the establishment of green buildings, such as LEED-certified structures, which have seen significant growth since their introduction in 1998. These buildings account for approximately 3% of new construction across developed regions, indicating a shift towards sustainable design and energy efficiency. The concept spread globally through social media platforms and environmental organizations, leading to increased awareness and adoption of practices like recycling, composting, and using renewable resources, such as solar panels or wind turbines, in residential settings. The economic impact has been significant. Green investments have created millions of jobs worldwide and contributed billions annually to the economy. However, there are drawbacks, including higher initial costs for transitioning from traditional methods. Despite these challenges, green soul living has led to measurable improvements in air quality, biodiversity conservation efforts, and water resource management. The future projections suggest that by 2050, green living practices will play a pivotal role in mitigating climate change impacts. With advancements in renewable energy technologies and continued public engagement, it is projected that around 80% of buildings globally will be eco-friendly, contributing substantially to reducing carbon emissions. This shift towards more sustainable living patterns could lead to healthier environments for future generations, while also fostering innovation and growth within green industries. To optimize green soul living further, incorporating technology such as smart home systems can enhance energy efficiency by automatically managing utilities based on usage patterns. Additionally, educating younger populations about sustainability from an early age will be crucial in ensuring long-term commitment and widespread adoption of sustainable living habits across societies worldwide.